Welcome once more to FM Bazaar. This is Bali Broto, presented to you. This is English news. First, the headings. A schooljacker in the Lycée Colbison of the Yaoundé of Cameroon Lewa was deep enough in Dutu, a Bobe, and a Maniaka in the chutation of a police, and the police was detected a die. There was catched a 4 eye stealers that are wanting to be digging the burying ground and be stealing bounties and to win and two. Now the news in full. A schooljacker was detected and done in the Lycée of Colbison, Lewa, in the chutation of his police with a tools, utensils of instrument, and the teacher was detected and died. The true thing that took place was that this police was only Deide and the schooljacker was Deide in the Lewa. The police was 13 a arithmetic of plus times take away subtraction division minus and even equals to, and this other schooljacker in the form 3 was disturbing. As the teacher was talking, the schooljacker was disturbing. So this police was commoted and was went and saw the schooljacker, and I was spoke to you that I say, why? How can I be talking a thought and you are disturbing? If he does not want to learn the lewa in the thoughting that I am thoughting, you should pack your kaolus and went to the outside. The schooljacker was spoke back that, Yish, sure let me say, I am not wanting to know one eye outside. This lewa is not your lewa. When he was spoke this back, the police was vexed and was spoke back that I say, you have heart, I am speaking to you and you are backing it back. Are you want to show me that man them there? As the police was vexed and was wanted to boo the schooljacker was kept out instrument, tools and utensils and was chuking the police, and the police was fair in general. When this schooljacker was chuking the police, a other schooljackers they were started to be hollering that, hey, a schooljacker have chuked a police, a schooljacker have chuked a police, a schooljacker have chuked a police, this one is which kind of does that he have did. As there was hollering, the other police said they was run and came in the day. When there was one to came and took the other police back to the hospital to when and consultation, the police was already dead and died. As this police was dead, there was catched this 15 years old little schooljacker and was taken to Dengata. This is also kind of deed that was took place in the Obala of Lewa of Lycée Obala, that a other schooljacker was went and took a cutlass and was quotation a paddyman a finger because there was knocking in Damba and a paddyman was quackly by mistake quackly. So the thing that we are spoken in the day is that why are these schooljackers them of this penyang schooljackers them editing their own doors like that? Why? In those days of true police, when police was still police, this is not how the thing then was there. I am remembering in those days when our police will be turning inside the classroom with a mulongo in his hand. That if you make a little pim in the class, the police shall whip you a mulongo and you will holler that, hey, my banjaye. The police shall even give we mental drills of 30 eye sums equals to plus, take away minus, divided by. I spoke that if you fail a 1 eye, if you have a changbat in a 1 eye sums, he shall give you a wonderful mulongo in your banja. And when the police will station you with a mulongo in your banja, and you went to your repe to went and reported the police, your repe himself shall still remungolize you or rebu you for disrespectation the police. But today, of this our own yang day, police have cheap. Police and police madam have cheap suited that schooljackers are chuking them knives and they are dating a die. The one that was vexed all man I was when and passed was the one that a reme of senior education Kaulu, secondary education Kaulu was spoke and was went and questioned that why was the police went in to be domoring with a schooljacker? Is this reme heck enough in the inside? How can that chutation a schooljacker and a remedy of education higher shall come and be asking this kind of question? Does them not know that they are supposed to make commandeers that are supposed to be protection the right of polices and other schooljackers? Does them not know that they have to be looking this our young schooljackers of nowadays because them are smoking mbanga, tramo, whiskey and all the other bad kind of thoughts? We are speaking that they should be putting them eye so that they shall not be doing this thing that them are doing. Because right now, as we are speaking like this, polices and police madam, some of them are swearing to went to the lewa. They are even swearing to boo a schooljacker. Because they are swearing that if they boo a schooljacker, the schooljacker can choke them a knife, or even the schooljacker, they are rapey, shall came there and started to be hollering them. That why are you booing my jacker? So we are speaking that we except we have to make that this schooljacker system, this they are done. Manyaka ndutu bobe. and Ashos and Ashos did that they are dodging shall have to end. That was today's edition of the Sase English News. Thank you for listening and hearing to me. May God give you a long life. And may you stay and jackass and your jackass.